Greetings, Rocketeers! This is your Toy Commander, and are you guys ready for today's mission? Great, so am I!
Planet Zizzle!
And today's video is intended for play only. And I want to mention one more thing, kids, just because I love everything about science fiction, outer space, aliens. I'll be doing a new segment here on Planet Zizzle before every video where I give you guys a fun fact about outer space. And we're going to call it Fun Facts About Outer Space with the Toy Commander. That's a long title, but that's okay. We're going to not only play with toys, we're also going to learn something every day. And today's fun fact is, did you guys know that outer space is completely silent? I know when you watch science fiction movies, you hear spaceships going by with a loud rumble, but there's no sound.
What?
That's just for special effects. Because there's zero air in space, and you need air for sound waves to travel, therefore there are no sound waves and it is completely silent.
Really?
You remember this guy right here? This is our Treasure X Mega Robot. Look how huge he is, and that's right, he has a gold power core.
Cool.
And today we have some more Treasure X. These are Robots Gold. That's right, we have 4. Each one is 8 levels of adventure. Yay! With the chance to find real gold-dipped treasure. Yay! There are 16 little mini robots to collect in this series. So with Treasure X robots, this is the new rust removal. First you remove the rust, then you build your bot, and then you discover your treasure.
Nice.
So we have 4 boxes to open today with 8 levels each. That means 4 times 8 is 32 levels today of adventure.
Bingo.
Alright guys, let's head over to the other table and start our adventure. Okay kids, here we are back again with one of my favorite things to do.
Huh?
Discover gold. No, I'm just kidding. I love Treasure X and opening these. So we're gonna start with one of these. We have 4 boxes and each one with 8 levels. Let's get to our first one. All right, as always, we have our collector's guide. Let's take a look real quick. Whoa, look at all those different characters that we can find today, or different robots we can find today. And we always have the chance to find real gold-dipped treasure. Right there in the middle, there is the special golden power core. All right, so our first level of adventure would be right here, and that is to open up this bag right here that has a robot on it. All right, here we go. Our first level, we have a robot covered in rust.
Oh, no.
So you know what we need to do now is get some water because we need to rust reveal and see the finish of this robot. And there is a look at the other side of the map right there. You're gonna see a big giant hole in the earth with all kinds of treasures hidden inside. So some of the finishes that we have today are gold wash finish, metallic finish, fluoro finish, a splatter finish, glow in the dark, metallic finish, another splatter. Right here we have color change, metallic, splatter, and just a lot of really cool robots. Let's get on to our next level, which is level number 3. We need some water. All right guys, have a cup of just regular tap water, and let's submerge our robot and watch the rust dissolve. All right, let's spin it around and see if we can see any of the rust coming off. So far, we don't see anything yet. Now, it may take a couple of minutes, but I can see some of the rust coming off right here. Let's give it a little move. Whoa, see that, guys? So cool. More rust coming off. Let's help it out a little bit and swirl it around. Looks like a metallic finish. We'll give it a couple more minutes. Okay guys, I think we're going to take it out and see what we have for our robot, a mini robot. Look at that rust. Alright, so let's remove our robot. It looks like it has a transparent finish here. Let's find out which one this one is. Let's clean off all the rust. There's the face, and let's see if we can find this one. We're not done yet. We still have more pieces to put together, but I think it could be a splatter finish right over here. Chimp saw. So we're going over to level number 5, which contains this little box right here. And this is where we cut through the top. Open the door and pull out what's inside. All right, that is part of the robot. And this here is the power core, which could be real gold dip treasure. So let's go ahead and find this piece where it fits. And I think it goes right here on the bottom. Just like that. Whoa, look at that guy. That is cool. Now let's see if we got real gold dip treasure. And no, we didn't. But that's okay, because this goes right in the back. And that one is called, it's Chimp Saw. That's a pretty cool looking figure. That's a money sign right there on the back. And he's got a saw in one hand and a claw in the other. All right, so that's one. All right, guys, that concludes our first one. Now we're gonna go to another one, but we need to refresh the water. Okay, here is our second box. Let's take out all the contents, and we know what to do. We don't even really have to open up this, but we'll check it out real quick because they're all the same. Let's go to our first level, which is to break open this. Take it out, and that's right, time to drop in the water and watch the rust. Looks like some of the rust is starting to come off right there on the bottom. Let's move it around a little bit. And whoa, I see a red eye. Whoa, look at that, that's cool. Let's give that rust a few more minutes. I think it's almost done, and it is a cool looking green color. All right. We'll give them a few more dips, then we'll wipe them off. So far, that's what we have. Now let's go on to the next level and cut through this box. And let's get the rest of our little treasure bot. And of course, right in here is the treasure. Let's take the rest of the body and find out the name of this cool little mini treasure bot. Oh, we have two pieces to put together. We have one here that goes just like this. And then one more. We've got lots of little legs on this thing. Does that go like that? Let's see, I think maybe it goes like that. Whoa, that thing is cool. And I think that one's called Gold Mantis. Look at all the legs right here. It has 6 legs and 2 arms. And let's find out if we got gold. I don't know, it feels a little bit heavy. Maybe it is. And no, it's another failure. No gold. That's all right. All right, Gold Mantis. So far, 2 cool looking treasure bots. I should say mini treasure bots. All right, guys, you know what time it is. Time for another one. All right, let's open this one up. This is our third one. And we don't need to open that. We know what the guide looks like. Let's open up. This is what's important right here. Where is that tear strip? We don't need one. All right, let's throw this guy in the water and see which one we get here. Ready? Bloop. Looks like we get some rust coming off here on this one. Oh, it's a blue color. I wonder if this is the color change one. Let's take it out and find out. Or maybe the glow in the dark one. Let's remove it. I think, well, we still have a little bit more rust on there. All right, let's take it out. And go on to the next level and get the rest of our mini robot here. First, we need to saw through here again. Okay, let's get our pieces and our treasure. Come on out, treasure. All right. So this one here also has a bunch of legs. So it's a mantis, but we don't know what mantis it is yet. Let's put it together and we'll find out and look for the name. Now the heads and arms do move on all of these figures. As you can see, the head, the legs, arms, everything. All right, so there it is right here. Kind of looks like that one, but it has different claws and it has different colors. And I think we may have the color change one here called Metal Mantis. It says to dip in cold water, so let's go get some clear cold water and see if it changes colors. But before we do that, let's open up our power core and see what we get. Oh, no more gold. We got one more chance to get gold. All right, let's go get some fresh cold water and dip it in there. All right, guys, I have cold water. Let's drop it in and see the magic happen. Hopefully it is a color change one. So far it's staying the same color, but maybe the water needs to be colder? So the only way to make this water colder is to drop in some ice cubes. All right, let's stir it around and see if we get any color change. No, looks the same. Well, let's see, hold on. Well, we'll leave it in a couple more minutes. All right, guys, so it looks like it goes from a blue to a green color, but right now it's blue, okay? Let's just take it out and let's go on to our last one right here, and hopefully we get gold in the last one. I love opening Treasure X. All right, here we go. Okay, let's open the bag and see what we have for a piece of robot. Okay, let's dip this one in. Oh, I dropped them in. Sorry, buddy. And let's wait for a few minutes and let the rust reveal. So this color seems to be going from green to blue, and that's the color change on that one. So far, these things are really cool. I do have another one that I collected from another opening. This is Rust Roaster. Right here, it's a transparent red. Pretty cool. It's like all fire. All right, we almost ready here on this rust reveal. Alright guys, we're almost there. You can see some of the rust coming off. Oh, we may have the glow in the dark one here. That would be cool. Alright guys, it's almost done. Yes, and I think we did get the glow one. Bingo! That's cool. We're gonna have to take this in a really dark room and watch it glow. So wouldn't that be cool if we got the gold also and the glow one all in the same? That would be awesome. So let's clean this one off. Because if you look at the package right here, this is Skid Burn, glow in the dark. All right, so let's put this down and get the rest. All right, and let's see, we got one more right here. And let's take out the small little body that goes on this Skid Burn. There it is, right there. He's got one wheel. Did I have him backwards? Hold on.
Oh, man.
So Skid Burn's supposed to go this way. The wheel goes around the back. Like that. There's his face. Pretty cool. And now for our treasure. Boo! No gold today. What a ripoff. But we did get 4 new ones, which is really cool. We didn't get any duplicates. But right now, let's go take this and see what it looks like when it glows. Let's point the fluorescent light or black light right on our robot and let's see if it glows. Let's shut the light out. And yes, it does glow a little bit. You can check it out. Let's try it again. There's a little bit of yellow in there and there's some pink on the bottom. Cool. Alright kids, that's it for today's video. We didn't get gold, but that's okay. Look at the cool 4 different mini robots we got to add to our collection. This is our 5th one we got in the previous video. So on the left hand side, the first one you see right here is called the Splatter Finish, and that is Chimp Saw. Then right here we have Gold Mantis. This is our color change in cold water Metal Mantis. And then the last one was the glow-in-the-dark Skid Burn. Pretty cool collection. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Smash that like button and come back to Planet Zizzle to keep the missions going. This is your Toy Commander signing off, and I'll see you guys on our next mission. It's now time for me to blast off out of here.